Hi, my name is Sam White. I'm a Senior Product Manager with GitLab, and today I'm going to be going over our release kickoff for the 13.0 release for the Container Security Group. In 13.0, we have the quick and easy way to turn network policies on or off. This is a follow-on to the Cilium network policy feature that we launched in our Container Network Security category, and we released that initially just a few milestones ago. So we're continuing to iterate on that in providing a UI to be able to turn that on or off. Also likely coming in 13.0 is this issue that's showing under 12.10 at the moment. It's right now it's looking like it's going to miss that milestone just barely. So there's a good chance that the Cilium or Container Network Security logs, sending those out through syslog, will actually fall in 13.0. So I'm just going to go ahead and show a couple of mocks for each of those. For the first one, on turning network policies on or off, the main goal with this was to provide a UI to help improve discoverability for the feature. We're looking right now to put it under the security and compliance configuration page. And because we want to start small and iterate as we go, for the first pass, this manage button will just link out to the docs. And that solution actually may be the preferable end state as well, just because the container network policies are a little bit complex, and that as you enable or disable the feature, it requires you to actually go and restart all of the pods in the cluster. And where that's a fairly intrusive action, we may actually just leave that as a manual steps to be performed with supporting documentation, so that users are fully aware of everything that's happening and they can plan for any downtime that may result. Also, looking at the feature to send these container network policy logs out to a SIEM, this would be an extension of the work that we're doing in 12.10 to send mod security or WAF logs out to the SIEM. As part of that feature, we added in another managed app for your Kubernetes cluster called FluentD that you can install or uninstall. And FluentD is a data collector that lets you forward on these logs either to a SIEM or a centralized logging solution. And so as part of this, we'll just be extending that functionality to also be able to send Cilium logs out to the SIEM that's configured. So again, those two features are the deliverables that we've got planned for 13.0. The other work that we'll be doing is centered around just some initial research and investigation into container behavior analytics, so that we can better understand what direction we want to go with that category and what technical solution makes the most sense. As always, we welcome any feedback, which can be provided either by commenting directly on the issues, or you can always email me, swhite@gitlab.com.